Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today I am going to make a presentation on BIM, that means Building Information Modeling. This is a process correlating architects, structural engineers and construction engineers. Definition of BIM. BIM, that means Building Information Modeling, is an intelligent 3D model based process that gives architecture, engineering and construction, that means AEC. Architecture means A, engineering E and construction C. AEC professionals the insight and tools to more efficiently plan, design, construct and manage buildings and infrastructure. In the beginning of drawing, people were using hand sketch. Then computer came to our life to make it easier. CAD drawing. We are using CAD drawing. Now 3D model. In the next 3D model we can use for presentation of drawings and documentation. And this is the time. Now it's time for BIM process. So day by day we are going to develop our documentation process and management. BIM flow. This contains build, operate, design, build, operate and maintain. And in the beginning it starts with a client. Client comes to the architecture firm, then make a plan. Then it goes to structural engineer. There they make analysis and design. Then both of the architect and engineer make documentation. Then in the field implementation and responsible personnel. In this BIM process, all the persons related to the construction or related to the project can be involved in this BIM. You can see in the figure all the responsible personnel can be involved or can be correlated with each other through this BIM. Building projects. In a building project there are some parts: architecture, structure, electrical, mechanical, that means HVAC, heating, ventilation and air condition. These are the parts in a construction project of building. Purpose of using BIM: to create an effective sequence of workflow from planning to the implementation and maintenance stage of a building project. This is a purpose to correlate all the stages and regarding responsible persons from one to another without any problems like collision among the building systems and documentation. First, elaboration of this process. First, clients come to architect for a plan. Architects take notes what he needs in his projects and architect adds other facilities if needed according to project type. Then architect creates a plan in AutoCAD or 2D CAD computer aided drafting software using a draftsman. After finalizing the plan, he creates 3D model in a BIM software. This is a demo video how AutoCAD plan can be imported into BIM software. This video you can get in YouTube. It is in courtesy of lynda.com. And from that model, architect can create section elevations by simple steps without sending it to draftsman.
Sections help clarify relationships.
This is a demo video on creating section.
Document the building model. To create a section view, on the View tab, click the Section tool. Sections are always defined in Plan View. Click to specify the start and end points for the section. Use the grips to modify the section's extents and view depth. After the section is placed, you can double-click the section head to open the section view. In Revit MEP, Sections are sorted by discipline and sub.
So in this way we can create section very easily and accurately. Then that 3D model he sends to our structural engineer to check the structural feasibility. Structural engineer puts structural members in that model, and together architect and structural engineer can visualize the 3D model to check if there is any modification needed or not. After finalizing the preliminary structural layout, structural engineer analyzes the structural model and design the structural members. So from that 3D model, that if we use Autodesk as a BIM software, then from Autodesk Revit we can transfer the model to analysis software. Then we can design it in that software. Then we can bring back that designed or modified structure to the Revit. Here is a demo video. So in this way we can design and create a detailed drawing in Autodesk Revit from the structural model analyzed in Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis software. That means any analysis software. Then after finalizing the structural design, the same 3D model is sent to mechanical engineers to put their HVAC system in the model. They can create a HVAC plan and layout in the model, avoiding collision with those structural and architectural elements existing in the model. This is an
Autodesk Revit
example.
enables detailers to create coordinated and constructible models that contain LOD 400 content from the Autodesk MEP fabrication products, which are ready for shop drawing, procurement, ductwork manufacture, and installation. With multi-point routing for fabrication elements, Revit automatically places the appropriate fittings based on the service configuration. When connecting two open ends of fabrication elements, you can use the Route and Fill tool. It automates the layout with detailed options based on the configuration, giving you multiple options for the service layout. Click through the options and use one of the best that meets the needs for your requirements. While modeling, you can specify which fittings are used with the ability to exclude parts for the layout. Revit also gives you the ability to optimize the length of duct and pipe straight segments for accurate duct lengths according to your specification. Detailing in Revit enables mechanical, electrical, and plumbing contractors to create BIM-based LOD 400 detail models for estimation, fabrication, installation, coordination, and constructability.
So this video is made by Autodesk. So courtesy goes to Autodesk. And in this way, the HVAC engineers can make plan and layout in the model, the same BIM model. Then in the same way, electrical engineers can put their electrical layout on that same model. So in this way, electrical engineer can make electrical layout in the same BIM model. Then after finishing all these stages, project manager can create a construction project schedule and construction stages by using that 3D model in software like Autodesk and Navisworks. That 3D model can be used to produce architectural, mechanical and electrical detailed drawing, structural shop drawings, BOQ and costing. Like this one. So in this way we can produce detailed drawing with estimation, POQ and costing. Finally, that 3D model can be used to prepare a maintenance plan for the project and helps for asset tracking. Importance of BIM. BIM reduces rework and saves time. BIM provides realistic visualization of the project before construction. BIM improves productivity. BIM reduces conflicts and changes during construction. A perfect BIM is 100% effective in clash detection. BIM eliminates drafting and other errors. And why we should know about BIM. We know that we cannot be expert in all the sector of BIM, but we should have idea about the process. We can develop our skills involving in a sector of BIM process that suits our experience and interest. Already this process is being used in Europe and America for accurate construction process and management. The US General Services Administration (GSA) formulated the National 3D/4D BIM program way back in 2003. This program established policy mandating BIM adoption for all public building service projects. The UK has swiftly risen become the undisputed BIM champion of the world, riding on the wings of clear national strategy and government support. The British Standards Institute (BSI) have established policy mandating BIM adoption for all public building services projects in 2016. So in near future we will be involved in this process and we have to adopt this process soon. Near future BIM is entering into advanced process to build complex shaped structure by automated process. Famous architectural company Jahadid's Architects already moving ahead to this process, that means 4D or 5D construction. This is a demo video how it is done. The video credit goes to Jahadid's Architects. BIM software. Following are the commonly used as BIM software. Autodesk Revit, which includes Revit, Robot, Navisworks and other. Trimble Tekla, Tekla Structural Designer, Tekla TEDS. Namestack All Company, it includes Allplan, CIA Engineer. Graphics by BIMX Company. So also most of the BIM model can be exported to commonly used structural design software ETF, SAP 2000 and StarPro, and other electrical and mechanical design software. In those software this BIM model can be exported. BIM sample project in YouTube. There are lots of videos in YouTube representing the theme of BIM. As a structural engineer, I have tried to make videos explaining the process from architectural plan to structural detailing. If you have any interest to see how a project can be designed and detailed in BIM software, Autodesk Revit, then you can watch these videos in my YouTube channel named Decode VD. There is a playlist on the name Revit to Robot BIM having 30 videos. This is the screenshot of the playlist, you can check. Video focusing BIM by Autodesk. This is a demo video. From the client to the construction company. After getting the project, the BIM process starts. So this is project completion stages completed, it has shown, and this is the energy analysis, constructability analysis, this is the sealed systems of the building. If there is any collision, it will be seen in the BIM model. This is how we can fix the collision. Fabrication, off-site fabrication, that means OEs will be done outside the site in an industrial area. From the manufacturer company, that is brought to construction site, on-site installation. Here, this is a BIM. BIM is a process or data management. You can check all the process and you can view all the data in your hand. So after finishing the project, you can check all the list, and if there is any repairing needed, you can check it in your hand. That means in your computer or tablet. A practical project done using BIM. NBS Lakeside Restaurant has been constructed using this BIM. So this is the demo video how it works. This video credit goes to NBS. So information builds the model. So this is the theme of BIM, and this is our presentation. If you like the presentation, then click on the like button, and if you are not subscribed viewer, then please subscribe my channel and wait for more useful tutorials and presentations. So thanks to all.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.